Welcome to PFTV. Space Wandile to analyze the game. Wandile umnandi.
Umnandi Khotman lami wena.
Is Wandile. Ongitshele mfethu. Mawubona starting 11 saka Yobo Pros namhlanje. Were you happy or were you still feeling like there's something that is missing there?
I think honestly speaking, coach was with my fans. Responded to our complaint to the previous game and was respected in a way which hasn't let me give South Africans what they want, what they're asking for, because personnel is there. So I think starting the game is unfortunate. Amachita conceded early, but we managed to come back. Although it was late, but I'm happy with starting 11. Fighting spirit here, unfortunately, is considered early, like I'm saying, but starting 11, I'm happy.
So leya goal Wandile mfethu ibuya va who is at fault for that goal? I mean I didn't see it bengise toilet.
Was it toilet? It's a game of football. Honestly speaking, you can't keep on blaming Amachita. More or less is considered early because I could say mkambe singasho ukuthi experience kaMbokazi ayikho or experience kaOkoni partnership ayikho, but that conceding early has cost, but you can't blame anyone. It's just that lots of concentration, but overall I think we managed to manage the game kahle ngoba ngajabheka it's only that chance that goal is conceded, but other than that not be push here and there.
Abanye abantu bebacomplaina ngoMudau. What did you think of his performance sometimes?
Sometimes I think expected too much. Young Foster now, Mudau is always on point. Game in, game out, 90 minutes, no mistake. Again on Jen and Jay beside like Mudau. I'm not blaming Mudiba that Mudau again Jen and Jay. Yes, you can make a chance, you can make a better decision here and there. But overall, Mangatua Pega now. Just those small mistakes. Now, especially towards the dying minutes of the game. We could have scored, yes, yeah, but unfortunately we can't keep on blaming Amachita. Let's just hope South Korea. If we can get a maximum points there, that is win a 2-0, and then battle with Mexico, we can still have a chance. South Africa, but let's hope this time we are 7th in our feet.
So what did you think of that midfield, Yaga, Silent Mbata, Mokoena and Jaden Adams today?
I think Hugo Bruce always fights for his stability. As much as his creativity and fluidity, but yes, siyamfuna sonke umfukeni bazomfuna abanye uThixo bazofuna abanye umule, but funeka umuntu ozoba compact mase kumele kumakwe uyafunda bola makumele liphume. Yes, angeke basinikeze creativity kaMfukeni, angeke basinikeze creativity ya anyone ozoba number 10, but solidifying midfield is very important in this type of a tournament. So it's good when we win the ball, when we defend as a team. But yes, here and there, simbonile uMfukeni umgayile there 45 minutes. Angeke sithi akatholanga chance, but for me personally, I think going to the next game, he needs to compromise and maybe drop one of them. That's starting bad. Sibone ukuthi nathi singakwazi ukukora mthambe ngale first 10 minutes, because nathi ufuna ukukora kuqala. We don't have to chase the game. Ufuna ukuthi nathi sibe kube position yokuthi nathi let us attack. Yabo singathi hayi sifuna ukumaka sibe compact. Sabe ukuthi hayi kumele sigaye. Nathi we need to attack ngoba manje ukathi nothing to lose.
Last question, member. Who stood out for you today, your man of the match?
Hey, ngasho ukuthi Chelsea is all over, my brother. He's fighting, and sometimes although unokushaya melanga shaya, but because the team under pressure, we need to take those shots, keep on trying, because he scored at the last time. So now we believe that manga shaya, at least something is over. I'm telling you, totally rebound. Even if keep there, totally rebound, someone poke, tap in, and then score the goal. But other than TLP, I would say now even though sometimes sinofuna ama goal all the time, but that midfield now at least Ube was guy that sitting on.
No, thanks, member. Thank you very much.